What up, Smart Rabbit Gang? Look at this. Isn't this just confusing? Like, what is this? This is the inside of a Facebook ads manager. This runs the ads for Facebook as well as for Instagram. We ran a few ads for the Christmas special that I'm sure you knew about because a lot of people actually DMing me saying, hey, I saw your ads. They popped up on Facebook, they popped up on Instagram, I saw them over here. So I'm sure a bunch of you saw them. And you're probably thinking, Rob, why does this matter to me? Why do I care, Rob? Let's check this out. I'm gonna break some math down for you. If you spend $10 on a Facebook ad / an Instagram ad every day, let's say daily you spend $10, just $10, you can potentially reach 560 new potential fans for your music for just $10 a day. But do you know how to do that? Do you know how to set it up to do that? And these are targeted people just for you, for your fan base, for music that you sound like. If you didn't know what to do to be reaching potential fans, I'll be showing you. This year I'll be releasing a new single every month to every month and a half and teaching everyone the tactics that I use that do the best. You'll be able to see the growth of the songs as well as what I'm using to market them to help them grow. We have a Facebook and Instagram course coming very soon that you'll be able to use to learn how to actually set up these ads so that you can reach your people, okay? Because $10 a day, you can definitely afford $10 a day in order to gain potentially 560 new fans or at least get yourself seen by that many people. That's pretty amazing. If you want to be updated on these videos, on the music marketing videos, as well as the music marketing course, you want to know how to be able to do that, how to take a little bit of money and be able to start gaining fans with it, I'll put a link below. You can sign up to that email list. I will only send you things for that email list that are music marketing related. So if you want to be on that music marketing list and you want to know when the course comes out, as well as get the videos when any music marketing video releases, join that list. That's what this video is for, is to tell you, look, that's coming. I'm going to show you how to do that. Things are going crazy. Go check out my new single, Spray. Okay? Because you're gonna watch it start growing like crazy. And we're gonna show you the Facebook ads that we use in order to grow Spray itself. Like, what are we doing for Spray? We're gonna show you how to do that. So that's it. Check out my new single. I'm gonna put a link below. And also, sign up to that music marketing list. I will only send you music marketing stuff if you're on the list. Okay? I won't send you like anything else. It'll only be music marketing stuff. So I just started this list so I can grow this and help you guys have a specific section of an email list for music marketing. So check that out. Click below, put your email in, confirm it, and then check out Spray, and let's grow it together. Keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top.